In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sum selected rows in Excel. First, open Microsoft Excel and bring up the worksheet you want to work with. In this example, we're using a simple sales table with products listed in the first column and monthly values from January through April across the next columns. The sample data includes items like laptop, mouse, keyboard, and monitor, each with numbers spread across the row. Excel gives you several ways to sum selected rows depending on what you need. You might want to total a single row, add up multiple rows at once, or even sum only specific rows while skipping others. The good news is that all of these can be done with straightforward formulas. Let's start with summing one row. If you want to total the sales for the laptop row, you would enter the formula equals sum, open parenthesis, B2:E2, close parenthesis. That tells Excel to add all the values from cell B2 through E2. In this example, the result is 5,150. This is the best method when you want the total for one specific row across several columns. Next, if you want to sum multiple rows together in one go, use a larger range. For example, to total all the values from rows 2 through 5, enter equals sum, open parenthesis, B2:E5, close parenthesis. Excel will return the grand total for all selected rows and columns in that block. This is especially useful when you want one combined total for a section of your sheet. Now, if you only want to total individual rows that are not next to each other, you can list each range separately inside the same sum formula. To add only rows 2 and 4, type equals CM, open parenthesis, B2:E2, comma, B4:E4, close parenthesis. This tells Excel to include only those two rows and ignore everything else in between. It's a great option when you need a selective total. Another quick method is to use AutoSum. Start by selecting the cell where you want the total to appear. Then go to Home and choose AutoSum, or go to the Formulas tab and click AutoSum there. Excel will automatically suggest a range based on the nearby data. Check that the highlighted range matches what you want, then press Enter to accept it. This can save time and helps reduce typing mistakes. That's how to sum selected rows in Excel, whether you're totaling one row, several rows, or only the exact rows you want.